Today I'm going to give a speech on how to give a shot, intramuscular shot. We've all had to get shots at one point in our lifetime, whether we wanted to or not. There are three ways of injecting a medication: subcu, intramuscular, and intradermal. Intramuscular injections are the most common way of injecting a medication. An intramuscular injection is a shot of medicine given directly into the muscle. Intramuscular injection is given more often because of the amount of medication given, the kind of medication that's being given, and how quickly the medication needs to act. Since this is the most common type of injection, I will be showing you the best way to do this. You will need to have a syringe, typically a 3mm syringe. The syringe consists of the barrel, which holds the medication, the needle, which goes into the muscle to injection medication, and then the plunger, which pushes the medication into the arm. The syringe has marks on the side of the barrel like a ruler, except in cc's and mLs instead of inches. Each cc will have a number 1, 2, or 3, or so on to mark which is the correct marking. Next, you will need to know how to get the medication out of the vial. A vial is a small bottle which usually has a metal covering on it, and then a rubber stopping. First, you'll take off the middle top, wipe the vial with an alcohol swab, such as this, and then you'll set it aside. A vial will have a certain amount of air in it, of pressure in it. When the air is removed, it must be replaced. Therefore, you'll pull the plunger out, enter as much air as you're going to give liquid, so say we're going to give a 1 ml shot, and then we'll enter that into the vial. And then you'll tuck the medication in the vial upside down. I'm not actually going to draw it up. And the medication will fill up into the syringe. Next, you will need to know where on the patient and how to give the medication. There are two main locations to give an intramuscular shot. Generally, in children, we'll give it in the vas lateralis, which is right here. And an adult will give it in their arm, in their deltoid muscle. To give the shot, we'll clean the area with the alcohol swab, and then we'll let it dry. Then we'll take the cover off the needle and hold the syringe with your writing hand, just like this, like you're going to write with it. Then you'll inject it into a 90-degree angle, like you're going straight in. Before you inject it, you're going to hold the skin up and then inject it in like that, like you're throwing a dart. And then you'll inject with the plunger. After it's all injected, you'll gently pull out the needle and rub it with the gauze and put a Band-Aid on it. I know not everybody will have to give a shot, but now you know the process and can understand what's going on the next time you get a shot. An intramuscular injection is the most common way of injecting medications. Flu shots are one of the most often type of shots we administer this way. I hope today you will now know how to give an intramuscular injection. Thank you.
I think you should have demonstrated that.